Hi, pretty Autumn. Hi, good morning, pretty Autumn. Where's your mother? Where's your mother? Here comes your mother, Autumn.
Good morning, Autumn. When did that happen, my sweetheart? When did that happen, huh? And then what happened? Are you going to go outside to play? Are you going to go outside to play? Are you going to go outside to play? You are beautiful. And you're our baby. And we love you.
Pretty Autumn.
Mama trimmed your hair.
Pretty Autumn.
And then what? And then what happened? Say, Mama. Mama.
Oh, she said Mama.
She said Mama. Hi, Hito.
Hi,
Where's my
Hito.
little man? Where's Mama's little man? Hi, Hito. There's my boy. There's my boy. Autumn, come on out here. Your papa needs to talk to you.